How to log out Google Play Store. So if you want to log out of your Google Play Store, then first of all open up your Play Store application. Go for your profile, which is on the upper right. And here if you go for settings, then you won't have an option to log out. So what you can do is you can simply open up your settings, your device settings, and then you have to remove your Google account. So you can simply go for your Google accounts, and here you will have your Google account, right? So if you want to log out of your account, then what you can do is simply click on that Google account which you are logged in, and then you can simply tap on remove account and then again tap on remove account. And after tapping on your remove account, your account will be deleted, and your messages, your contacts and other data from the phone will also be deleted. So this is one way. But if you don't want to remove your Google account, then you can simply go back and then go for apps and open up your Play Store on your settings and go for storage and cache, and here you can go for clear storage and you can simply tap on delete, so that your app's data, including your files, your settings and everything will be deleted. And after deleting that, your account will be logged out. So this is the second way. So if you want to log out of your Play Store, then you can use either one of that way, and you will be logged out. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.